Hello again, everyone. Today's video is going to be another story that I'm going to read to you. I got this off the internet, so I'll leave a link in the description down below on where you can get stories like this. So why don't we go ahead and take a look at the story now. So today's video is called Always Be Good, and it's by Danielle Ruckert. So let's go ahead and take a look at it now. Gertie Goat says, always be good. Colin Cow says, listen to Mum and Dad. Patty Penguin says, keep your room tidy. Xena Zebra says, always brush your teeth. Wally Walrus says, try your best at school. Harry Hippo says, always do your homework. Carly Cat says, always do your chores. Baba Bear says, eat up all your vegetables. Peter Panda says, look after your things. And Leo Lion says, don't forget your manners. So I'm not going to do any bonus activity today. I just, in the story here, it's got at the end here these words in the book. It's all the sight words that are in the story. There's a nice list here. You can take a look at it, and I'm not going to leave any kind of task for today's video. Okay, so I just wanted to show you the sight word that you can look at. This is another part of the page here. It has a list here of always be good activities, and it just asks children to come up with ideas for each page and how they can follow through for their actions. So it's just talking about each page more specifically. Some suggestions here. It says that you can have a chart, give children stars. Whenever another child or sibling notices they're caring or showing behavior, ask children to think about how their behavior makes others feel when they don't follow these rules. Ask children if they can think of a time when they didn't follow these rules. How can they change their behavior to make the situation better? And again, as the story says, always be good. So that's today's video. I thought I'd do another story one. I really enjoyed reading that story, and this website here is really great. It's got a lot of free stories. So if you're having trouble getting to a library due to the situation, or you just can't make a book order, I'll leave this link, like I said, in the description down below, so you can go ahead and check out not just this story, but the other stories as well. Okay, so that'll do it for today's video. And as always, thank you so much for spending part of your day with me. And I look forward to seeing you on the next video.